Just wanted to show something off to you guys. I'm walking through. I have not actually brushed my hair, and I've got almost no makeup on my face. But the day is so gorgeous that I can't even. And I have valid reason to say that. But I kind of had this thought in my head that you guys are exploring your mission and your worth and your purpose, which is going to fast track you onto your masculine leadership, because a woman can only accompany you on what you want in your life. She can't make that task for you. That's not her job. So when you do that job for yourself, you essentially get into your leadership. And then my job is to get you to heal all the success mindset work that you've had before that told you somehow you were not capable, deserving, or worthy of support in your life. You got to support yourself first, and I help you get there fast.